today, almost there's part of that first half and part of the second half that almost makes me a little bit emotional as a coach, because there was a real beauty in some of our play. It was beautiful, some of it, and we know that the players, it's within that team. It doesn't happen every week. You know, they're maturing and they're developing, but we're supporting them in that. You know, it's tough when you play for Gor and want to develop because you're always under pressure.